oven's at 350, and this is about 45 minutes in. I came in and I stirred it to make sure all the creamy and chicken was and rice was getting together. Now I'm going to throw some cheese on it and put it back in the oven for another 45 minutes. It was a perfect amount of cheese for my chicken, cream of chicken, chicken and rice. That's what it is, chicken and rice.
You figured it.
Yeah, it took me a while, but it's just the perfect amount of cheese. So it's a cheesy chicken and rice. Brown rice, local chicken, homemade cream of chicken soup, so it's all organic there. Oh, and we have some olives to eat. One organic peas. A little bit of mozzarella cheese and a little bit of provolone cheese. Cooked in coconut oil, of course, which is healthy for you. Delicious. I'd make this again.